Money Tactics 2024, $500 per day effortlessly watching video ads online. Do you ever feel bored scrolling through social media? Well, what if I told you that you could actually make money while doing it? Yes, you heard me right. In today's video, I'll show you how you can earn up to $500 a day just by watching video ads. And the best part, it won't cost you anything to get started. I'll guide you through the whole process from signing up for the platforms that pay you to watch ads to tips and tricks for making the most money. Get ready to turn your free time into real cash. Stay tuned. We'll guide you through everything, help you improve your skills, and show you how to make money online without any restrictions. Welcome to Stash Cash. If you want to know about new ways to make money online, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post new videos. We welcome all opinions, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment sections below. Let's break it down step by step. First, go to a website called getpaid2.com. Once you're there, I'll show you how the site works and how you can earn money just by watching ads. Later on, I'll even share a trick to automate this so you can earn from others watching those ads too. Now, when you're ready to cash out your earnings, check out the different payment options available. You can use PayPal, Skrill, or even transfer your funds to a crypto wallet or bank account. The minimum withdrawal amount is just 50 cents, which is pretty easy to reach. Plus, if you're in the US or the UK, you can opt to receive Amazon gift cards as payment. If you're worried about the other payment methods, don't worry for now. PayPal is your simplest option. If you don't have a PayPal account yet, don't worry. Just visit paypal.com where you can easily sign up for an account. It's free and available worldwide, making it convenient for everyone no matter where you are. PayPal's user-friendly interface and widespread acceptance make it a popular choice for online transactions worldwide. Plus, it offers extra security measures to protect your financial information, giving you peace of mind while doing transactions online. Okay, let's get back to the website. To get started, the initial step is to create an account, and fortunately, it's a straightforward process. Just navigate to the website and click on the enticing Join Free Today button. This will whisk you away to a registration page where you can easily input your details such as your name and email address. Fear not, it's a quick and seamless process that won't take much of your time. Once you've breezed through this step and verified your email address, you're all set to dive into the realm of money-making opportunities. Now, it's time to log in. Use the email address and password you provided during registration to gain access to the site's features and explore the myriad opportunities it offers for earning money. Upon logging in, you'll find yourself on the platform's homepage, a bustling hub of potential earnings. Here, you'll discover a treasure trove of methods to bolster your bank account through online endeavors. One particularly lucrative avenue involves the simple act of watching ads. These ads come in various flavors, each adorned with enticing offers promising different point rewards, typically ranging anywhere from 100 to 500 points per task. With such a diverse array of opportunities at your fingertips, the possibilities for earning are virtually limitless. In addition to perusing the available offers, you'll also have the chance to peek at the recent earnings of your fellow users. This transparency not only provides insight into the earning potential of the platform, but also serves as a source of motivation as you embark on your own money-making journey. However, if you're truly seeking to turbocharge your earnings, look no further than the specialized section dedicated to earning points quickly. Here, you'll uncover a wealth of strategies and techniques designed to maximize your earning potential and catapult you to the upper echelons of profitability. Whether it's completing surveys, participating in promotional offers, or engaging in other activities, this section is your ticket to unlocking the highest earnings possible. So, armed with your newfound knowledge and access to a wealth of earning opportunities, it's time to embark on your money-making odyssey. With dedication, perseverance, and a touch of savvy, there's no telling how much you can achieve on this platform. To kick off your money-making journey, start by navigating to the Earn Points section and select Quip Coins. This will direct you to a dedicated page where a plethora of avenues await for you to accumulate points. First up, we have Honey Gain, which compensates you for utilizing your dormant bandwidth. It's a passive way to earn while your internet connection is idle. Then, there's the option of Short Links, where you can earn by simply viewing ads. If you're in certain regions, you can take advantage of Hideout TV, which offers opportunities to earn by watching videos. Autosurf is another option that allows you to earn while casually browsing the internet. And if you're looking for quick points, you can delve into the world of surveys. These new surveys only require 4 to 15 minutes of your time and reward you with points that are credited directly to your account. These points can be converted into real currency, putting tangible earnings in your pocket. By the way, if you're enjoying this video so far, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. We love hearing from you, so feel free to leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Alright, let's move on to the next part of our video where we'll focus on referrals. Here, I'll show you how you can earn by getting others to click these buttons and watch ads, and in return, you'll receive a portion of what they earn. This part is super important and makes up a big chunk of my earnings through this platform. But before we dive into that, let me quickly introduce another way you can rack up points by watching ads. Just head over to Featured Offers section and you'll find various types of offers, including occasional ad viewing opportunities. Now, back to the homepage, let's check out how referrals work. Scroll down until you spot the Referral Program, which is marked by an orange box labeled See Your Referrals. Clicking on this box will take you to a dedicated page where the program explains how you can earn by inviting friends and acquaintances to join the website. You'll get a 15% commission from their earnings. For example, if someone earns $100, you'll receive $15. If they earn $1,000, you'll pocket $150 and so on. The cool thing is, you don't have to do anything extra besides inviting them to the platform. Now, I'll share my personal strategy for generating thousands of referrals every day, and the best part is, it won't cost you a thing. It's a method you can start implementing right away. Alright, let's break down the steps. First, click here to copy your referral link. Once you've got that, head over to Facebook. In the search bar, type in Make Money Online and then select Groups. Look for public groups because they usually let you join right away without needing approval. There are tons of Make Money Online groups out there, so pick one with lots of members and active discussions. For example, let's check out this group. It's got a big bunch of active members who are always commenting and liking posts. But here's the important part. Don't just spam your referral link like some people do. Instead, create a post that introduces the concept in an engaging way. You could say something like, "Hey everyone, I recently found this cool website where you can earn money just by watching ads. Interested? Type info for more details." Feel free to tweak the message to make it even more appealing. This approach works really well. When people comment on your post, send them a private message with your referral link. You can also make your post stand out by including a picture of proof of payment like others have done. This helps get people interested and increases the chances of them joining through your link, which means more earnings for you. By using this method, you're bringing people to your referral link without resorting to spamming, which can get you banned from groups. And don't forget to follow up with people and answer any questions they have to make sure they understand how to use the website, maximizing your referral potential. Another effective method that I personally prefer over Facebook has brought me even better results: Quora.com. Quora serves as a platform where individuals post questions in various topics, making it ideal for our purposes, which involve addressing queries about making money online. Essentially, the strategy involves searching for the term Make Money Online in Quora search bar, which reveals numerous inquiries from users seeking guidance on generating income through online means. Your task is to carefully respond to each query, informing users about the website and including your referral link within your answers. However, as emphasized earlier, it's crucial not to simply bombard responses with links, as this could result in the loss of valuable content and even account termination. Instead, strive to provide meaningful insights in your responses before incorporating your referral link. This approach ensures that your answers are valuable to users while also presenting them with an opportunity to join the platform through your referral link. On Quora, your answers can show up in Google search results, giving them long-lasting visibility and the potential for continuous passive income. So, the time you invest in answering questions can pay off over time, providing you with a steady stream of earnings. And that wraps up today's video. If you found it helpful and enjoyable, please give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Once again, this is Stash Cash. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.